Chapter 7.9, Estimating with Percents. Now, there is no vocabulary for this lesson, but I want you to kind of keep in mind the purpose for estimating with percents. Shopping is one of those things that you either love or you hate. There often is no in between, but regardless, everyone loves to save money. So if you're out shopping, or if you go to a restaurant and you need to give a tip, being able to estimate a percentage can be a very helpful thing to do. So let's take a look at example 1. Suppose you buy the scarf above for $14.99. The sales tax rate is 5%. Estimate the total cost of the scarf to the nearest dollar. Well, I'm going to estimate $14.99 to $15 because that's essentially what $14.99 is. 5%, my tax rate, that needs to stay the same. But I want to know what the total price is. So first I need to find what is 5% of 15. Well, there are a couple of options. The first option is to multiply 15 times 0.05, which equals 75 cents. This represents your tax, how much you have to pay. So $15 plus 75 cents equals $15.75. So that's what you would have to pay in the scarf as well as the tax. Now the other option is to break the percent or the price kind of into groups. So if I want to take 10% of something, I'm going to simply move the decimal one place to the left. So for example, if I have $26, 10% equals $2.60. I took that decimal and I moved it one place to the left. If I have $350, 10% equals $35. Take the decimal and move it one place to the left. So thinking of that this way, if I want 10% of $15, I take the decimal, move it one place to the left, equals $1.50. Now you're thinking, well, Mrs. Pendry, that's great. I don't want 10%, I want 5%. Okay, you're right. Well, what's half of $1.50? Half of $1.50 is 75 cents. So another way to think of it without doing a multiplication is say, okay, what's 10%? 10% is $1.50. I only want 5%, which is half of that. Half of $1.50 is 75 cents. Again, I take that 75 cents, add it to my original 15, and I get a total cost of $15.75. Both these methods work. You're going to have to find the one that kind of works best for you, and it may depend on the situation too. Example 2 talks about going to a restaurant. Estimate a 15% tip for a bill of $26.25. Now, that keyword here, estimate, okay? The 15% needs to stay the same, but we can estimate the $26.22. So, let's go ahead and round that to, let's say $27. Okay? Now, the book is going to leave it at $26.22. For me, that's not estimating, okay? I'm going to round it to $27. You can even round it to $30 if you're feeling generous and had a really good server, okay? Round it up, no worries there. So, again, you have two choices. You can take the $27, multiply it by 0.15, and come up with your tip. Method 2 is to break that 15%. 15% is the same as 10% plus 5%. So 10% of $27 equals $2.70. 5% of 27 is half of this. Well, half of 227 is $13.50 or $1.35 if I put my decimal in the right spot. So $1.35. To get my total of 15%, I'm going to add these together. 5. I get $4.05. So I'll give a $4 tip. Nobody really wants to get a nickel, okay? But the point I want to see here is that you can break the percentages down into pieces that are easy to use mentally. 10%, move that decimal one place to the left. 5%, half of 10%. And then you can quickly add them together, okay? So the reason for estimating is to be able to do things mentally, so find easy ways for you to do it. All right, example 3. The regular price for a pair of hiking boots is $57.95. The store is having a 30% off sale. Woohoo! Estimate, keyword, estimate the sale price. So, $57.95. I'm going to round that to $60. So we have a couple of choices. I know that 30% equals 0.3. So I can take $60 and multiply it by 0.3 to get $18. Yep, there we go. $18. Now, this $18 is the discount. It's how much you don't have to pay. So to find the sale price is the original price, we're estimating, of $60 minus the sale price, which equals $42. This is what you would have to pay. Okay? Now, the other option is color change. 100% of the price is about the $60 minus the sale discount equals 70%. This is what you do have to pay. You are going to pay 70%. So another option is to take 60 times 0.7 and get $42. Okay, so that is another option. I can either find the discount price first and then subtract to find my sale price, or I can subtract the percentage find the percent that I'm actually going to have to pay, multiply that to get the sale price. Either way, you come up with the same answer. Okay, that's it for examples. Do your QCs and your CYU, and I will answer questions the next time I see you.